Next stanza, he may use against other people. Tell him solitude is creative if he is strong. And the final decisions are made in silent rooms. Tell him to be different from other people if it comes natural and easy being different. So next, he may use against other people. So if you are being alone, the world may be rejected. You may be rejected by the world. Okay, you may be rejected by the people. Okay, and don't bother about that people. Tell him solitude is creative if he is strong. You are very strong in your attitude, your solitude, okay, your loneliness is creative. When you are sitting alone, that so many creativity will come into your mind. Okay, so and the final decisions were made in silent rooms. If we take a great scholars or scientist, if you take their life, their final decisions, their success is என்ன சொல்கிறது written in silent rooms only. Okay, when they were alone, they just made a final decision. Okay, so don't solitude இருக்கிறதுனால don't feel bad. Okay, it will help you, it will bring you creativity. Tell him to be different from other people. So don't be an ordinary man, be different, be unique. And if it comes natural and easy being different, so if it is coming from birth now, it is very easy to being different. Okay, this is a next this is about this 7th stanza. And he may use against other people. Tell him solitude is creative if he is strong, and the final decisions are made in silent rooms. Tell him to be different from other people if it comes natural and easy being different. Okay, next stanza. Tell him have lazy days seeking his deeper motives, and let him seek for where he is born natural. Then he may understand Shakespeare, the Wright brothers, Pastor Paulo and Michael Faraday, and free imaginations. Tell him have lazy days seeking his deeper motives. Let him be in solitude. Okay, let him be alone. Then only he can understand the life very deeply, for what purpose he is born in this world. Okay, he will let him seek deep for where he is born natural. Okay, in the world எதுக்கு பிறந்திருக்கான் அப்படிங்கிற that reason he will find out when he is being alone. And then only he may understand Shakespeare, you know very well, is a very good writer. 15th century he has written so many plays, and அவ்வளோ பெரிய ரைட்டர் அவர் எப்படி ஆனாருங்கிறது when you are being alone you will come to know. So like that Wright brothers you know very well, and Pastor Paulo, Michael Faraday, these are all great philosophers and scientists and free imaginations. So when they are alone, அவங்க தனியாக இருக்கும்போது தான் their mind free imagination. Okay, எப்படி திங்க் பண்ண முடியணுமோ அப்படி எப்போ திங்க் பண்ண முடியும் when we are alone. Okay, அப்படி திங்க் பண்ணதுனால தான் தே அச்சீவ்டு லாட். ஓகே, அது பண்ணதுனால தான் தே அச்சீவ்டு லாட், தே ஃபவுண்ட் லாட். அண்ட் டில் நவ் வி ஆர் ப்ரைசிங் தம், வி ஆர் டாக்கிங் அபவுட் தம். இன் ஃபியூச்சர் ஆல்சோ ஆர் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜென்ரேஷன் ஆல்சோ வில் டாக் அபவுட் தீஸ் பீப்புள். ஸோ தீஸ் பீப்புள் ஆர் அது எல்லாமே இதாட்டா. ஷேக்ஸ்பியர் ரிட்டன் 37 பிளேஸ்னால் எங்கே அவர் தனிமையாக இருக்கும்போது தான் ஹி ரோட், ஹி அச்சீவ்டு. ரைட் பிரதர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ லைக் தட் only, Pastor Paulo, everybody like that only. So be alone and it will bring you creativity and it will shape your life. Okay, next the last stanza of the poem, bringing changes into your world, resenting change. So you want to bring a change to your world, but if you if this attitude will be hated by everyone. Okay, dissenting, disliking. Okay, this will be disliked by everyone, but don't bother about them. He will be lonely enough. You are the man. Okay, you are alone. You are the person to bring change to this world. You are only enough. Okay, நீ போது இவங்க இந்த மாதிரி பீப்புளை பற்றிலாம் don't bother about them. To have time for the work, you have enough time to work. Okay, he knows as his own. You know very well what you have to do to this world. You know very well. Okay, you know very well. So அவங்ககிட்ட விட்டுருங்க. he will bring change, but it will get more time and you should not give up அப்படின்னு சொல்லி முடிப்பேரும். Okay, and see that a message what he is coming to say in this poem is this is truth about our life. If we are unique, the people will not accept us. Is it true or not? If we are unique, என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, திமிர் பிடிச்சவன், okay, head weight காரன், அப்படி they will discourage us, and because they don't have faith in it. Why? Because in our new ideas they don't have faith. That's why even a good man take a deviant path. Okay, it's true only. Okay, people are not supporting us, so இவங்க support பண்ணல, they are taking deviant path. And the author directs him not to take up the already cut out. So author is telling you all that don't go in already cut out path. You just create a own path. Okay, நீ ஒரு பாதையை உருவாக்கு, அதில் மற்றவங்களை கொண்டு வா. Okay, invent new thing. And but in the long run he will prove. But இதெல்லாமே உடனே நடக்கும், அப்படி இமீடியட்டாக நடக்கும்னு we should not expect. Okay, அப்படி எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணால் we are a fool. Okay, it will get a long run, after a hard work, after a long effort only it will be possible. அது வரைக்கும் we should not give up at all. Okay, and but see, in the long run he will prove the world wrong by proving himself right. But after a long term hard work he will prove the world is wrong. Okay, that world people is wrong by proving himself right. After getting success you will prove the world that your opinion is wrong, I am only right abdinu you can proudly say. So this is a poem, and very very nice poem, even though it is very simple. So what are the advices given by a father? It is very very important to you all. Okay, in this age, right? சரியா, எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்துக்கணும். நிறைய இன்சல்ட், பெட்ராயல்ஸ், எவ்ரிதிங் வில் கம் இன்டு யுவர் லைஃப். வி ஹாவ் டு ஓவர் கம் எவ்ரிதிங். அதுலேயே உட்காந்து நம்ம கிவ் அப் பண்ணிடக்கூடாது. வி ஹாவ் டு ஓவர் கம் எவ்ரிதிங். ஓகே, திஸ் எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் பார்ட் ஆஃப் அவர் லைஃப். Okay, it is not a life, it is a part of our life. So we have to overcome these things. Okay, study well, students.